Hello guys, kumusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahin na rin yung tiny bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. You know? At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito sa trending Filipino singer na naman na nagpamalas ng kanyang husay sa pag-awit na talagang pinag-usapan at pinusuan ng mga netizens. And sobrang excited ako guys na mapakinggan 'to. Kaya i-play na natin 'to. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3. Go. Tara, play na natin. So, eto na guys. Anong name ni Kuya? Comment down below. Oh, oh yung ganda ng boses niya. Wow. Oh my goodness. Grabe, nakaka-touch. Nakakakilig.
I've been around enough to know the dreams can turn to gold, and that there's no
Galing.
way. No, you just can't run away. And what we have is so much more than we ever had before. And no matter how I try, you're always on my mind. So
Grabe yung boses niya.
here I am.
Sarap pakinggan.
And can you please
Plus good looking pa, no?
where two broken hearts go?
Wow.
Can they find their way home? Back to the open arms of a love that's waiting there.
Wow.
Did somebody loves you? Won't they always love you? I look in your eyes and I know that you still care for me.
Wow.
And now that I am
Diba? Sobrang ganda talaga ng voice tone niya, no? Ang linis-linis niyang kumanta, yung diction sobrang clear, nanggagaling sa heart pag kumakanta siya. Ramdam na ramdam ko. And sobrang natatouch yung heart ko habang pinapakinggan kong kumanta si Kuya. Comment down below kung anong pangalan niya.
here with you, I'll never let you go.
Wow.
I look into
Kukunin ko talaga to pag ako kinasal.
now I know, now I know where two broken
Wow.
go. Can they find their way home?
Yung ba nagiging emotional ako pag kumakanta
Of
siya.
a love that's waiting there. And did somebody ask you, won't they always love you? I look in your eyes
Galing.
and I know that you still care for me.
Oh, galing. Galing ng voice control niya, no? Wow. Galing.
Somebody loves you, won't they always love you? I look in your eyes and I know that you still care for me.
Wow. Uy, idol ko na siya. Sobrang idol ko na siya. Ang galing-galing ni Kuya. Grabe, no? Sana sumali siya sa The Voice. Sobrang ganda ng voice tone niya, yung quality ng boses niya talagang papakinggan eh, di ba? Yung diction sobrang clear, tapos pag kumakanta siya, nanggagaling talaga sa heart. Alright, kung nagustuhan niyo to guys, bigyan niyo ito malaking likes. Mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na puwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. You know? Bye po.